welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica J. If you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I know you're gonna like the video, and guess what? Your girl just hit 1,000 subscribers. I feel YouTube famous. If you see me out on the street, holler at your girl, because I'm gonna holler back. I'm gonna be like, I see you, boo. I see you. We eye to eye. We here. So this video, y'all, we are talking about how to lighten your under armpit skin or whatever, your under armpit skin, right? So for me, I have suffered on and off throughout the years with discoloration underneath my arms, right? So before we get into the recipe, the remedy that we're gonna talk about, that we're gonna implement today, I'm gonna share with you 2 ways on how to stop discoloration outside of this paste that we're gonna use, right? The first thing, ladies, like, I don't know about y'all, but for me, shaving underneath my arms, it's like the devil. I feel like it's so abrasive to my skin. It leaves these huge discoloration marks. So I have definitely thrown my razor out, and I definitely do not shave underneath my arms anymore. My 2 go-tos for hair removal is waxing or Nair hair removal, right? Nair hair removal is super quick. You roll that baby on for 5 minutes, the hair comes off, it's great. And I feel like it does not discolor your skin like shaving does. Like, it's wonderful. As far as waxing, that is also a wonderful tool because it takes forever for the hair to grow back. So it is absolutely wonderful. It's painful, okay? It's painful, but it looks wonderful, and it takes so long for the hair to grow back. It's like the best thing. But on the flip side of waxing, you do have to wait till your hair grows out to a certain point. So in the summertime, it's not really optimal to wait for waxing because, like, you just have hair, right? You want to wear a tank top or whatever, you go swimming, you go to the beach or whatever the case may be, and you have hair. Like, cause I'll never forget, I was like in between waxings and I had on like a tank top because it was hot outside, y'all, and I was like, whatever. And I had raised my hand and I had like a little bit of hair right there, and I just never forget like the look on this dude's face was just looking at me like, man, she was cute until she raised her arm. Like, he didn't say that, but you know, I just felt the energy. He was just looking like, ew, you feel me? But seriously though, let's get right into this video. It's a 3-day process. I have tried so many creams, so many home remedies, but I've been doing my research, and I think this paste that we're gonna make is gonna be like the best thing since sliced bread. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, so let's get started. I'm going to mix my ingredients up in a hand mixer because it's just super convenient and I don't have to like stir everything up manually. It just makes my life so much easier. All right, so the first ingredient we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. I hope you guys can you see this? Hope you can. All right, so there is my 3 tablespoons. All right, next I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. And these are all ingredients you can get at your local grocery store, but in all honesty, I feel like Whole Foods is the way to go when you're looking for things like raw honey and turmeric, especially turmeric, because I feel like, why is that such a hard ingredient for like regular grocery stores to keep in stock? Okay, so I have my baking soda, my turmeric, and I also got this from Whole Foods, the heavy whipping cream, but I'm sure that most local grocery stores have some type of heavy whipping cream because I use that for macaroni and all kind of ingredients. Okay, so we have our heavy whipping cream. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, 2 tablespoons. I love when honey smells. Is it just me, and sometimes like honey smells like pee? And then I don't have a lemon press. You know how like you squeeze that little tool that you can squeeze lemons with. So I'm gonna have to do this manually, and I'm gonna do a whole lemon. I cut it in half. I'm gonna do 1/2 at a time. I gotta use all my muscles, baby. I want to just show you guys, it's like a bubbling up, making this like fizzing noise. It's so crazy. Do you see that? All right, so I'm gonna stir it up. It's like a little, look, it's like a little paste almost. Can you see that? It looks really good. Okay, so I'm gonna stir it up really good. All right, and let's apply it. All right, guys, so let's get our little concoction. All right, let's grab it. I got my little spatula. I showed you the consistency. Now, make sure when you're doing this, you have on a tank top. I have on my little tank top, and one that you don't really care about because from doing my research and what I heard, the turmeric can really stain. Oh, so ladies, if you wear white nails or you have a light color nail, you want to make sure you do these with gloves because they will definitely stain white nails. And I said that because I always wear white nails. I just don't have them today, but yes. But anyway, let's go ahead and apply it. So let me show you a before, because it's a day one, and man, I did another video like this with my nails messed up. Look, my dog, he walked me. I told you on the other video, but anyway, so let's go ahead and apply. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this is before. I'm gonna have to make this a picture. This is before, so that we can compare. So I'm gonna just rub it on there. I'm gonna get all the little nooks and crannies. My armpits have nooks and crannies. Ooh, it's like, make sure it doesn't go like sliding down. Okay. Okay, oops. So do that. And I thought it is pasty, but I thought it would be a little bit more pasty than what it is. But that's okay. I probably could add some more baking soda to make it a tad bit more pasty because it's dripping a lot. The smell, it smells like baby food, right? If you've ever had kids, it smells like baby food. Stinks to me. Well, it doesn't stink, but it don't smell good either. It ain't something you would want to eat. I mean, you gotta feed it to the babies, but whatever, I digress. All right, so that's one arm is sliding all the way down. Let me just do that. Get it down. All right, man, this is so messy. So messy. It's day one. All right. Let's go to the other side. I'll do the other side. We on day one. And you're gonna keep this on. Well, I'm gonna keep it on for 20 minutes every time I do this. I'm gonna do it for 20 minutes. I'm trying to get it keep it from sliding. Okay, there we go. All right, so boom, boom, bam. All right, day one, y'all. We'll check back in tomorrow. All right, y'all, so we're back for day two. I want to give you some quick notes from yesterday, which was day one. So after I wiped off the residue from the paste, I didn't put deodorant on. I just went about my day. Y'all, that turmeric smell, your girl was out here spicy. It was quite a peculiar smell. So just be careful when you are doing this. That's why I chose today. I'm gonna do it at night, so maybe that smell would kind of wear off because it was a little strong to me, and I don't want y'all going out there, you know, stinking. Okay, but anyway, here goes day number two, and today I'm gonna use a spoon. I used my little silicone spatula yesterday, but I think I'm gonna like the curvature of the spoon better because it was so drippy. Oh, and let me show you how it looks, right? Now, I don't know, to me, it looks to me as if it's lightening up a tad bit. Not super dramatic, but I can see a slight difference, okay? So I just want to show you guys that. That was results from day one. So let's go ahead and add on for day two. Yes, I think I like the spoon much better because if you guys remember yesterday, or day one rather, it spilled a lot more. I don't know, and it could also be, this was in the fridge. I kept it in the fridge overnight, so it might have got just a little bit more pasty. The consistency may have changed. All right, let's do the other side. All right, y'all, back to looking a mess. And we're gonna do this for 20 minutes. All right, and I'll see y'all tomorrow on day three. All right, guys, so we're on day three. This is how I'm looking before day three. Check it out, okay? I have moles under my arms, so don't worry about those things. Okay, so a quick little note I want to tell you about today. The little concoction, I left it in the refrigerator. I don't know why, that's just where I wanted to store it. It did get a little clumpy, so just FYI, if you're doing this, just know that it will be a little clumpy. So I just took a fork and got like the lumps out. I'm assuming it's because of the baking soda. So we're gonna go ahead and apply. I'm gonna show you again where we're at before day three. So these are results from 2 days. All right, we're gonna go ahead and I done cut the arms off of my shirt. to do this. This stuff is very messy and it does stain. I say that every time I get on here because I want to let you know, do not do this with shirts that you care about, that you plan to ever wear in the light of day, because you ain't wearing them in the light of day no more. And just think somebody's gonna be using this spoon to eat in my house. Ooh, girl, funny. Ooh. So this is the beginning of day 3. So tomorrow we're gonna check in and we're just gonna do overall results tomorrow. Like, y'all, it's day 3 and it's time to do the reveal of if this turmeric paste, this little concoction that we made or I made, if it really worked. So let's see the results. Y'all, so this worked wonders for me. I'm like, let me bring the camera down just a tad bit. Oopsies, let's bring it down a tad bit. So there we go, that's much better. I don't know if you guys can see, oh, camera is falling. I don't know if you guys can see, right? But I sure can. Like, if you remember at the beginning of the video, before day 1, I showed you the areas that were discolored, right? Now, it's kind of strange because, you know, I was just like focused on this area and mostly like the top of here being discolored. But if you can see, this is like much lighter, but all of this is much lighter. I don't know if you can tell. Go back, and when I finish this, go back and rewind. See how I put the turmeric like all around my underarms and how it's like dripping down. If you can see, guys, like you can see the difference between the color of my back and the color of my underarm, like at the very bottom, because this is like where the turmeric wasn't, the turmeric paste wasn't, and this is where it was. Y'all, it is so much lighter. This is insanely crazy, like all in here. I do just have a little stubble growing back. My hair grows back super fast. Like I literally just shaved yesterday. But I love it, y'all. These are like some awesome results. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna have to do it more like evenly or something, because it is really crazy how like it's like 2 different colors. But I am very pleased with my results. That was some crazy stuff. I did not think it was gonna work. Like after the first day, it lightened up a little bit, like a tad bit, but I was like, yeah, this is not gonna work. But like yesterday was like when I saw the results in full bloom. Like after the 3rd day, a couple hours later, man, I'm gonna do this all over my body. I'm gonna do my elbows, I'm gonna do my knees, y'all. But I think you have to be careful because you wanna make sure it's even. Because right now it's looking a little crazy right here, right? Can you tell the difference? I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it's a difference from like where all the turmeric was and like where it wasn't. But anyway, guys, I hope that you love this video. I want you to try this for yourself, again, because turmeric and lemon has lightening agents, and you know us colored girls get discolored sometimes because it's always a very much something. But thank you for watching this video, for joining me for these few minutes. Peace until the next video, and thank you. See you guys next time. You know, it's not an Erica J video until I say peace. People think that's so corny, but I love saying peace. Like, bye means peace. Like, see you later, girl, like in a positive way. See you on your way for your day, because I'm a rapper. Bye, y'all. Bye.